This video has been made to process the assembly, erection, bolting and launching of 76.2 meter Open Web Girder Bridge 25 on viaduct between DLPC, Kartoli station at pier number 89 and 90 on DLPC, Talwara section on Ambala division. The fabricated metallized members of Open Web Girders are transported from Bridge Workshop Jalandhar Camp to the site of the bridge. Before starting of assembly, metallizing, which is anti-corrosive treatment, is to be done on steel members. In metallizing process, initially the sand blasting done at site to achieve surface roughness of SA 2.5. The spray coating of aluminium wire has to be applied on cleaned steel surface as soon as possible. After metallizing, one coat of wash primer, conforming to IS 5666 is applied. After that, one coat of zinc chromate primer, conforming to IS 104 is applied. In the last, two coat of aluminium paint conforming to IS 2339 is applied. The metallizing girder members are assembled on ground, parallel to pier 89 and 90 by putting CC cribs below bottom chord members and are jointed together by using minimum 60% filling of holes with bolts and drifts. First, the bottom floor members like bottom chord, cross girder, bottom lateral bracing and stringer girder are jointed using temporary bolts and steel drifts. Then web members like verticals and diagonals are erected. Then top floor members like top chord from center to end, sway girder and top lateral bracing are connected. Last end rackers, portal girders and knee bracing are jointed. The partial assembled girder is put on camber jacks in such a way that the designated camber of 95 mm is achieved. As assembly proceeds, the bolts and drifts from previously jointed section are removed and replaced by permanent 8.8 grade HSFG bolts of RDSO approved firm are used for connection. Concrete base provided for stable CC crib staging support. After completing of assembly, CC cribs staging work 8 feet by 18 feet started below both ends of girder for jacking and side slewing purpose. Jacking done with the help of power pack and hydraulic jack. Girder is lifted from both ends, one by one, and provide the CC crib layers to achieve the staging height. After completion of CC crib staging, auxiliary track laid by jointing 4 rails on each side over CC crib staging. Rollers are provided below end cross girder to facilitate the side launching of girder. Slewing of girder started with the help of electrical winches, which are fixed on pier 89 and 90. After completing the launching of girder on its location over pier 89 and 90, auxiliary track are removed by putting girder on jacks. After that, girder placed on rocker bearing on pier 89 and roller bearing on pier 90. Side pathway is provided as per standard RDSO drawing number CBS 0045. Deck plate arrangement also provided to avoid dropping over road vehicles from running tracks. H-beam sleepers with complete assembly provided over bridge as per standard RDSO drawing number RDSO/B1636/4/R. Main rail of 60 kilograms. Guard rail of 52 kilograms. And checker plate provided over bridge.